In this video, I'll show you how to make a division line in Google Docs. As you can see, I've added a division line between 1 and 2 to write 1/2. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, go to the View tab, and under the View tab, click on Show Equation toolbar to activate it. Now, click on New Equation. You'll see a box appear. Click on the drop-down arrow. Under Math Operations, select the first option, A over B. To type above the division line, just type the number on your keyboard. Then, to type in the denominator, press the forward arrow key and the cursor will move to the bottom. Now type the number in the denominator on your keyboard. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.